Please like and subscribe it before watching it. Dear children, today we will listen the story of letter A. Now listen the story of letter A. In a jungle, there was an apple tree. Many animals lived there happily. One day, an alligator came with an axe in his hand. He wanted to cut the apple tree. Seeing that, all the animal got very angry. The bear used bow to shoot the arrow on the alligator. Ant and squirrel started throwing apple on the alligator. Seeing this, the alligator got scared and ran away from there. Thank you.